Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 5, the Flower Bank World. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Beautiful Sound of Music of All Drums, with a world system called Round and Full, Level and Straight. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Various Beautiful Adornments, with a world system called Cloud of Flames of Pure Intense Light. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Lamp with All-Pervasive Jewel Flames, with a world system called Various Forms According to the Original Vows of the Buddha. Such seas of fragrant waters are as numerous as atoms in unspeakably many Buddhafields. The one nearest to the surrounding mountains is called Raiment of Assembled Ornaments. Its world system, called Magically Produced Beautiful Raiment, is composed of the sound of the voices of all the Buddhas of past, present, and future. At the bottom of this system is a sea of fragrant water called Indra Flower Treasury, with a world called Producing Joy, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, all uniformly pure. The Buddha is called Stable Enlightened Knowledge. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in 10 Buddha fields, parallel to the world Diamond Banner, is a world called Adorned with Jewel Nets, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 10 Buddha fields, all uniformly pure. The Buddha is called Light of Infinite Joy. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in 3 Buddha fields, parallel to the world Endurance, is a world called Jewel Lotus Lion Throne, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 13 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called Most Pure, Unwasteful Learning. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in 7 Buddha fields, at the top of this world system is a world called Jewel Lotus Dragon Light, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 20 Buddha fields, uniformly pure.